7 things for your pantry, and if you've got these 7, you've got the beginnings of a great meal anytime. First things first, whole peppercorns. Fresh crushed pepper, the best aromas, the best flavors added to your dishes. And great salt, white, pink, any colors of salt, they're wonderful things. Next thing you've got to always have on hand is some great olive oils. Extra virgins, always in dark glass or a can. This happens to be from Longmeadow Ranch here in California. This is Mandranova, it's Italian. Either way, great olive oil for cooking or finishing. You know, fresh herbs are always what we'd like to do, but sometimes good dried herbs add just that extra punch. And you can't always have everything fresh, so some good dried herbs. Tomatoes, always tomatoes. I'm a big tomato fan. And you know, tomatoes are not in season all year long. But if you've got some good canned tomatoes, you're good to go. A great bean is a wonderful base for soups, stews, and even some great salads. Remember to soak them overnight. Dry beans have a much better texture and flavor than a canned bean. Always citrus. Remember those lemons? They add a brightness to any dish. Citrus is important. And a good glass of wine is a wonderful addition to any meal. These are from my 2 favorite vineyards, Davis Estates up in Napa and Longmeadow Ranch. And with these 7 things, you got a pantry.